I'll show you how to install the Oppkey THETA ATK Flutter on an Android phone. This is a Google Pixel 2. Use Chrome on an Android phone to go to GitHub. The link is in the description of this video. This is a physical device Pixel 2. I'm using Visor to display it to the screen. Go to the releases section and then click on the version 0.2. Go to Assets and then click on the link for the Flutter Android APK. Then download it. It'll take a while to download. After it's downloaded, you're going to open it. When you open it, it will automatically install it onto your mobile phone. So install it. You may have to enable installation from unknown sources. Once it's installed, let's configure the Wi-Fi. With the Theta Z1 turned on and the Wi-Fi on the Z1, go to the Wi-Fi settings of your Android phone and select the Z1 as the hotspot. Once it's connected to the Z1, you can then go back to the app that we're using as a demo and it should be able to connect. So let's first try info. We're getting information from the camera. We'll do a test stream. It's now streaming the live preview or motion JPEG over into this rectangular window. We'll stop the video. We'll use another screen for the thumbnails and we'll show a thumbnail demo. We now have the thumbnail. This is a demonstration of the API features of the Ricoh Theta Z1. If you have any questions on use of the API for your business, drop us a note at community.theta360.guide.